How to fix Voot app not showing in your Play Store. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Voot app not showing in your Play Store. If the Voot app is not showing up in the Google Play Store, there are several potential reasons and solutions that you can try. First of all, you have to check your device compatibility. So Voot may not be available for your device. Ensure your device meets the minimum requirement for the Voot app. Also, you can open up your setting or navigate to your Google Play Store and go for the eye icon here. Once you are here, you have to tap on the storage or clear data. And you have to tap on the clear cache to clear the cache of your Google Play Store, which can resolve any issues caused by corrupted data in the Play Store. So you can go for your Play Store here and search for the Voot app. So the Voot app is not available in my region due to the regional restriction. So if you can't download your Voot app in your device, ensure you have a stable internet connection on your device. Also, if you are using your VPN or proxy on your device, you can simply toggle that off. If none of this step work, you can simply restart your device, which can also fix the minor issues with your apps or the Google Play Store. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the Voot app not showing in your Google Play Store. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.